Sir, ay, direct.
For the last 5 months.
Number one, di Bagyo na kompleto tayo, di ba? Typhoon CD, Krising, Typhoon Emo, Typhoon Dante. Jay first na pagsalpak tayo and during Jay panagsampot na giting ang bagyo, talaga nakita tayo that the town was flooded. Talaga there was actually kung natin yun, not really big preparation in as much nga tapnuhan tayo nga marik na ito eh. But again, we acted upon it immediately. We institutionalized or implemented yung mga binadang program tayo, which is actually the core of governance that we are having right now in the NGO. We had the MOA signing with multiple NGOs, CSOs, government organizations, academy, and at the same time, talagang we tried to strengthen the partnership between the community and that of the NGO. So for the last 5 months, what we did was actually mobilizing the community to help us nga talagang to come up with actions relative to the issues and concerns tayo. Primarily, dagitoy declogging of canals, dredging, dagitoy management of our garbage, etc. etc. Which actually nakita tayo nga there was an effect after 5 months. So, Typhoon 1, man nga napigsa dito na, but again, nakita tayo how prepared the Trinidad was during that time. So, all of the community was mobilized in preparation for Typhoon 01. And fortunately, kung na tayo, hamat nga napigsa di typhoon, but again, the community responded. Talagang they went out of the community, providing assistance to the local government unit in as much as our responsibility as community members was concerned. So nakita tayo nga everyone really helped. Nagdiklagda, naglilinis at basura. Everyone actually was on their feet during that time. And that was actually a product of 5 months nga we really encourage participation, cooperation in our local government unit. Jadi kaya tayo nga continue, jadi kaya tayo nga ma-strengthen, ma-sustain because that is actually our strategy in the municipality. So, there. Another issue tayo, syempre, dahil yung monstrous traffic jam. Paborito lang, bugbugbugan kila Trinidad. Kasi bakit natay, hindi man nagsapa when we had our state of the municipality address. Although, tayo nga dati yung implementing agency because this is lodged with the Department of Public Works and Highways. We are tasked with the management of traffic. Particularly, dahil ito man nag-deploy tayo, dahil ito man the Trinidad Municipal Police Station. Some other personnel came from Bliss, naging 39 additional personnel. And we also have our traffic auxiliary personnel and also the barangays kat makitultulog lang. So, tinaramid tayo, talagang pinagtatrabaho talaga yung personnel tayo managing traffic. However nila ito, talaga makita tayo that the volume of vehicles passing through La Trinidad talagang iso na. And at the same time, Regard, nalipat di kalsada and ang Mutayumat na La Trinidad is actually the passageway going to the north to other municipalities and other provinces as well. So it is still problema to ito, but again, we seek the patience still of our public. We try to coordinate with the DPWH, with the contractors, to facilitate that, which they are actually doing. Jay, sumatik ka ba ilan na payment?
Mayor, aside from the existing access road, Longlong, Langtan area, dapat din naka-program opening of access road, especially between the bottleneck tayo.
Jay, makita tayo nga awan pa niya. But anyway, pad-adal tayo sa amin na gito itiman planning, municipal planning office tayo, would there be opportunity nga mabangag lukat tayo, then we will take that opportunity. But in the meantime, diyan lang tibirbirokan tayo. From Chem 3 to Chem 5, ito pang kunam. The only way that takot di Balili River. It is actually, hantayo man niya bagang imposible, but maybe in the near future, baka posible, baka mabaling na marami dito nga kalsada. But in the meantime, diyan magkikita tayo. So, ang nalipatan mo na yung bagay tatay, may isang access road is from Ambiong, Tawang, Lubas, dyan nga kalsada. So they will make use of it. In the meantime, and at the same time, direct coordination still with the Department of Public Works and Highways. Stop no may improvement lang dahil ito yung alternate national roads tayo other than them passing through the main thoroughfare. Dahil ito problema. Okay. So, klaro tayo nga, dating pasahe, itiman Sangguniang Bayan, ano po ordinance tayo for just compensation. Dati ordinance tayo kasay. However, under the ordinance, duha nga luti lang ipagtungtungan. And in a series of case discussion in this local government unit, we found out na upat nga luti iti katungtong. Upat nga tao. Iti man makinsakot mismo, dahil iti kalsada, ang ayan mismo, iti Pines Park Bridge. So right now, na-identify tayo, numanyat kalawan na, dagiti man kanya, dagiti nga pamilya. Eh, tinarami tayo, at sinuratan tayo suda. Sinuratan tayo suda, ano mabalin, gatangan ti munisipyo, dagiti man space nga nakalat mismo, dagiti man properties da. So nakasubmit kanya dadayan, and that's what we are waiting, dagiti man response da. So that is a process under our ordinance.